In today's video, I am going to teach you how to publish your GoDaddy website. Start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Once you are signed in, open your website dashboard so you can access the site you want to update. From there, go to Websites plus Marketing. This is where GoDaddy keeps your website builder tools and site management options. Next, select the website you want to publish. If you have more than one website in your account, make sure you choose the correct one before moving forward. After that, click Edit Website or Edit Site. This will open the GoDaddy website builder, where you can review your current content and make any final changes before publishing. Now take some time to complete any updates you want to make to your website. You can adjust text, replace images, update sections, or make changes to your layout as needed. Once your edits are finished, carefully review your site content. Check each page and make sure your images, wording, links, and other elements are accurate and up to date. After reviewing your content, click Preview. This will show you how your website will look to visitors once it is live. Look through the site carefully, in preview mode, and make sure everything appears the way you want. Pay close attention to formatting, spacing, images, and page content. If something needs to be fixed, return to the editor and make those changes before you publish. When you are satisfied with the final version of your website, go to the top right corner of the editor and click Publish. GoDaddy will begin publishing your website and applying the latest version to your live site. This usually takes only a short moment, so wait for the process to finish completely. Once publishing is complete, open your website in a browser and confirm that it is live. Check that the newest updates are visible and that your website is displaying the latest version correctly. It is a good idea to click through a few pages and make sure everything loads as expected. Publishing your website in GoDaddy is a simple process once you know where to go. As long as you review your content, preview the site, and publish only after everything looks right, you can keep your website updated with confidence. That covers everything you need to know. Thanks for watching.